We have multiplication of polynomials. In the parentheses we have different terms. So we will start from the left side. First we will multiply these two parentheses. Let me write this solution in the brackets. So it will be t, we have to multiply this whole expression in the second parenthesis. And next we have negative z, we have to multiply times t plus y, close brackets, everything we have to multiply by t plus x. So this is equal. Next, in brackets, we will have to use distributive law of multiplication. First, we have to distribute t, and next negative z to the parentheses. So we have t times t, and we have plus. When we don't have sign, it's always positive, so positive times positive give me positive, and we have t times y. That's everything in brackets. And we have now negative z times t, so it will be negative z t, negative z times y, so it will be negative z y, close brackets, everything times t plus x. So this is equal. Now we will have in brackets t times t as t squared, t times y, we can write that this is ty, negative zt we have. So first I will write the variable t, so it will be negative tz, and next we have negative yz. I just changed the order of variables in the alphabetic order. And everything times t plus x. So this is equal. Now we have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. Because we don't have any like terms in the parentheses, cannot combine any terms. So we will have now t squared times t plus x. Next we have positive sign, t y times t plus x, and now we have negative tz times t plus x, and we have negative yz times t plus x. So this is equal. Now we have to use again distributive law of multiplication, and first we have to distribute t squared over each term in the polynomial. So we have t squared times t plus t squared times x plus, and next we have ty times t plus ty times x, the second parenthesis. Every term in the parenthesis by ty we have to multiply. Now every term in the parenthesis by negative tz, so it will be negative tz times t, negative tz times x, and the last term we have negative yz times t and negative yz times x. So now we will do multiplication. T times t, the same base, multiplication, so we copy the base and we add exponent. When we don't have exponent, is invisible 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus, next we have t squared x plus t times t give me t squared. And y we have to copy. Next we have plus t y x minus t times t give me t squared, and z we have to rewrite, and we have minus t z x minus y z t, I will write first, and we have minus, I can put first x, y and z. So now we can check if we can combine the like terms. We have t cubed, only one, t squared, but next we have x, here we have y, z, so they are different terms. And what else? We have ty x, t zx different, and yz different, and we have x, y, z. We don't have like terms, so this is my solution.